Alright, y'all, listen. As y'all know, we are, well, y'all probably didn't know, best friend / brother. Today is his big day, so I'm gonna take y'all through. We're gonna get a little footage. We're gonna get a little footage and get this thing worked out for y'all. Let y'all see what it's looking like. So stay tuned. Alright, so check this out, y'all. I'm coming back to y'all as y'all can see. We done converted. Turn it around. Special day. Yep. Special day for the bro.
Just sit on the table.
So listen. We'll be coming back to y'all real soon. So we done converted over. As you can see. Fix that right there. We got the man of the hour in here, y'all. We got the man of the hour in here. Listen, today his special day, y'all. And we gonna show y'all, we gonna have some clips later on. You know what I'm saying? Dorcas is gonna have some clips for y'all. And we gonna show y'all how this thing all went down. So in the meantime, stay tuned. Look, we got, as you can see, we got the little ones here. The little OJs. We getting it ready, y'all. We getting it ready. Y'all. Listen, this thing is gonna be epic. Look, just want y'all to see. We getting it tuned up. We got Dr. Larry over here. He's a jack of all trades, you know. He's a jack of all trades. So we gonna make this happen for you. So listen, y'all stay tuned. We gonna make this happen for the man. Wait a minute, I can't go too far. Hold on. We got the B man back here and the best man right here. Y'all, this thing, y'all see us drip. Oh man, we dripping, y'all. We dripping. So stay tuned. Remember, you know, like and subscribe. All right, y'all. So listen, I'm back. We are about 20 minutes out to showtime. About 20 minutes out to showtime. So we wrapping this thing up. We got the fellas back here. Listen. We doing this for the home. We doing this for one of my best friends, y'all. You know, been a long time. Me and him been rocking for a long time. Over 30 years. So even though I don't normally do this, you know, I made it one special account for him. So listen, y'all stay tuned. Man. Y'all been asking for me. Here I am.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Damaged. One man's trash is another man's baggage. Slow you down, I ain't going nowhere. Spacesuit on, can't breathe this air. TNT going off in here. Ain't we up there? Cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving. Believe me, cause you always wanna touch me. My thorns will leave you bleeding. That's why I'm always leaving.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, look what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag do. Oh.
Just don't tell nobody.
saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag goo. You saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag goo. You a saucy drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag saucy drippin' swag goo.
It's not my fault